Hey guys, what's going on? Adam Snyder here with the Home and Entrepreneur. So in today's video, I want to go over some Amazon FBA kind of pricing strategies, and not only really walk you through the pricing and what I would do for myself, but I want to show you kind of what my thought process is and kind of get you thinking in that kind of same mindset. I do this because not every item should be priced the same way, and I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. I have three items right here. They're all very similar, but I would price them differently for each one because of certain things. So let's jump over to my computer and I'm going to show you right now exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so before we jump into those pricing strategies, the first thing I just want to show you is my Amazon FBA exclusive membership group. It is $11.99 a month, and we go over a bunch of different things, pricing, we do bolos, we have, some videos. We just have a bunch of different content in there. If you are new to Amazon, if you are in the beginner stages and you are looking to scale your business and to really profit from this business model, I highly recommend you join this group, not just because it's mine, but because it's only $11.99 a month, and it's going to teach you a bunch of things that you're not going to get anywhere else. So let's jump into the video. And if you want to join the group, it is the first link in the description box below. Okay, so here's an item right here. You've probably seen these at Walmart. They were selling for like $13 at Walmart right after the holidays. And this is something that people were buying like crazy, but the prices kept coming down. So how would you price something like this? The first thing you need to understand, and we're going to look at this graph in just a second. First thing you understand is, what is the ranking? The ranking is 6,000 in toys. Okay, that's what it is right now. It has good reviews. Okay, so if we come and look at this chart, let's see, this chart right here, same one. So I have it broken down to the month, and if you were to look here, you'd see it's $19.99, right? Okay, is that really what it is? If you come back to Sunday, February 4th, so that's actually today when I'm shooting this video, but it shows Amazon has in stock for $13.88. If you bought it for $13, you're not going to make any money, right? You'd have to buy it for like $3, $4 because of how big of an item it is. But here's what I want you to understand. So let's go back a week, okay? Hopefully you can see this a little bit better. Okay, so Amazon's not in stock. Okay, right here. Amazon becomes in stock right there. Right there. They're not in stock. Okay, Amazon's in stock. They're not in stock. Amazon in stock. Not, they are. They're not, they are. Okay, so why is this important? Okay, why is this right here important? This is important because if I found this item for $5, for example, and yes, I have picked it up for $5 at Walmart, and let's say I picked it up for $5, what would I list it at? Okay, most people would scan it and they'd see, oh, Amazon's in stock at $13.88. Okay, $5, I can't make any money. I'm just not going to get it. Well, what if you sold it at $18.74? Right? You'd make money there. Okay, let's actually go over it, and I'm going to show you the calculator, and we're going to show you exactly how much you'd make. Okay, so here we are on the calculator. So let's say we sold it at $18.88 and it cost $5. Okay, how much are we going to make? So we would end up making $4.97 if we sold it for $18.88. But if we sold it for $13.88, we would end up making 72 cents. Do you see how that's such a big difference? Okay, just by looking at a Keepa graph. You can get this on your phone, you can get it here on the computer, but go from, okay, 1874. We're close enough anyway. So let's say we sold it at 1874. We're still making like $4.90, something like that. But you sell for $13.88 when even Amazon can't stay in stock. Why would you do that? Okay, that's one of the things I want you to understand, and that's one of the things I've talked about. I think I did a video or something, or article a couple weeks ago, maybe a month ago, inside my exclusive membership group. But that's something I want you to understand and keep an open mind of. Is that sometimes don't list it at the very low end of the pricing scale. Don't list it where Amazon's selling, because there will be some times where Amazon sells out, and when they sell out, who's up next? Okay, they're probably still getting sales. Okay, let's look at something else. Okay, this right here, let's switch that back to 1888. Okay, what I want you to understand is Amazon, as of February 22nd, 2018, their pricing changes, their fees change. Okay, So $4.97. Now, after February 2nd, 2018 and beyond, you're going to lose a little bit of money, okay? Their fees go up. So no big deal. You're still making money as long as you're not selling it for $13.88 and trying to compete with Amazon. That's where you're going to screw yourself over, okay? So let's go into the next item. Here's an item right here. This Nickelodeon Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle, whatever, action figure. Okay, so let's come down here. Let's see. Okay, one review, 110,000 toys and games. Cool. Okay, so let's look at this one. So there's a couple things I want you to understand about this one. Okay, first off, it's pretty steady right here at $11.99. Okay, now what this means when it says $11.99 is this is not the sale price of what item sold. This is usually what the lowest price is, okay? Not the sale price. So you can see over here back in November is $6.99. It went up for the holidays, it stayed, okay? It's probably going to start coming back down, okay? That's just what I normally see. So it had consistent sales, okay? It would go up to 200, come back down, okay? Now you're seeing it, so in January you're seeing it go up to 50. It goes all the way up to 305, 301, comes down, goes all the way up to 244. So something like this. What would I price this at? First off, if I only found a couple, I would probably buy a couple. Okay. Now, here's one other issue. So we click on this, and now it's going to show us who all has this inventory. Okay. So I only want to see new. So I'm going to click on that box, and I'm going to go back and I'm going to look at the week. Okay. So the sales, you can see it's selling a little bit. It's not selling very often. Sold on Saturday. One sold on Friday. One sold Thursday. One probably sold over here on Sunday. This price just kept on going up probably. Okay. So one thing I would do is I would see how many sellers are on this listing. They're selling brand new items. So there's a bunch, okay? There's more than I would want to compete with. So something like this, if I found one, and let's say it was like, $2 to $4, I would probably buy it. If it's $5 to $7, I wouldn't buy it because there's not enough profit in it, and it's not selling fast enough. And so this is particularly just with retail arbitrage, not with OA, not with private label or wholesale. With wholesale, definitely I wouldn't do this. Private label, definitely not. But you just got to be open to what's out there and what you can actually make. So again, something like this with this chart going up and down as it is, I'd maybe buy one as long as the price was low enough I could make a decent profit off of it. Okay, here's another one right here. It's another Nickelodeon toy selling for $21.78. We go down, it's at $150 for toys and games, 4 out of 5 stars with 9 customer reviews. Why is all that important? It's important because you need to understand if there are 9 reviews and it says it's a 1 star, then it's pretty consistent. It probably is a horrible product. If there's one review and 1 star, it's just one person's opinion. Okay, but still 1 star, people will see that up here. Oh, it's a 1 star. That's not a good product. I don't want it. Okay, so let's go into the pricing. Let's look at this a little bit. So again, we're seeing something very similar to the last one where you got consistent pricing all the way across, okay? And you got the spikes. But why is this important? Why is this one different than this one? Let's go to a month. This one it doesn't have big spikes. It has more mountains. It has more of a curve to it. What this means is the sales are more prolonged. It's not happening every single day, okay? Not like this one right here where you see it goes up, drops down, goes up, drops down, up, drops down, up, drops down. You get it. I can keep going up and drops down, but I'm not going to do that. So what you need to understand is, again, $12.99 is the lowest price, not the price it's actually selling at. So if we go and look right now, $11.99 is the lowest price. Is it? Is it really $11.99? No. You add that together, it's $11.99 plus $6.49 plus you got $1.87 in sales tax. Okay, for me, I do. Being I'm in Washington State. For you guys, who knows if you have sales tax? But so that just shows you, okay, the lowest price is $11.99, but you add in $6.49. That is what, $18.48. So $18.48 is the actual cost. Okay. This person right here is not that far away. These people are not that far away. So what would I list this item at? Okay. That's probably what you're wondering. What would I list it at? I would not list it at $11.99. When you're walking through the store and you scan something with your phone, like, oh, it's only $11.99. I'm not making money. You got to understand that could be the merch price. That could be the merchant offer, just like it is right here. That's not FBA, okay? Filled by Amazon. So with that, you need to keep in mind that if it says $11.99 and let's say it costs you $5, you're not going to make any money. Okay, this item right here, yes, you can buy it at Walmart for $5, depending on what stores have it. Okay, it's an item that not many stores have anymore because they're not all carrying this item. So let's say you find it for $5. Should you buy it? Yeah, you should buy it. And then if you can buy like 100 of them, great. One thing I would do is I would adjust this price. Okay, maybe bring this down. If you buy it for $5, maybe bring this price down to $17.99. And what's going to happen is you might see the sales rank drop. It's more consistent sales. So you have something more like, let's go back 3 months. So you have something more like this, where it's more consistent sales throughout the time, but the pricing, maybe it's really lower than what most people are getting at, the $18, $19 range. But being that your price comes down, your sales should go up. So you want to try to find that sweet spot where you can bring the price down far enough that your sales will increase and be steady. That's where you want to keep your pricing at, okay? So for my pricing strategy, what I like to do is I like to figure out who is the lowest FBA offer. So that'd be this person right here. You can click on Prime and it will go and get everyone else out of there. But what I would do is find the lowest FBA offer. So right here, $19.96. What I would want to do is I would want to be right there with them to start, and then I would try to feel out to see, okay, is my price good? Am I selling products? If not, and you might not be, and if you're not selling anything, all you need to do is bring your price down so that your sales will increase. Okay, and I know this is something that most people have a very hard time with, is figuring out, how do I get this consistency like this instead of the spikes like this? And that's the hardest part, is sometimes you need to adjust your price. Okay, so let's say $19.99 and the consistency was more even right here. Okay, if that's the case, and again, this is the holidays, so obviously the sales are a little bit up, but let's say you're selling at $19.99. One of the reasons why you might be higher is because it is free shipping. Okay, it's Prime. Okay, so let's say $19.96. And let's say they had no sales tax, whatever, it's Prime, they're going to get it fast. Okay, that's probably one of the reasons why. And then obviously December made a huge difference. But that's why sometimes if there are people selling it $11.99, $12.99, just like they are now, once you add in shipping, and that same thing, like you go back to my eBay days and years and years ago, where people were offering items for like a penny on eBay, and they charge like $19.99 for shipping. Is because people would look at, oh, it's only a penny, but then, oh, $20 shipping. Well, that sucks. Why don't I just go get the $19.99 product and free shipping? Even though you save a penny, it looks a whole lot better. Okay, so by having no shipping costs, it makes the product seem more valuable than it actually is. Okay, so hopefully this video kind of helped you out. We could go over hundreds and hundreds of products, and there'd be different strategies for every single one. But you have to understand, if you don't actually sell on Amazon, if you are not consistent with it, it's going to be hard for you to come up with your own strategy. Like I said, I like to figure out where the lowest FBA offer is, and then I'm not going to go lower than that. I'm actually going to go a little bit higher. The reason why is because, for me, I live in Washington State. Most of my inventory goes to the East Coast because I sell a lot of toys. Okay, being that I sell a lot of toys, now for food, for sporting goods, for electronics, that will be completely different because I know those go to different parts of the country. But for toys, the majority of the toys that I sell go either to the East Coast, or they actually go down to California to a whatever they do. They you send it all there, then they ship it off to wherever it needs to go. But most of my inventory does go to the East Coast because of that. what I like to do is, being that it's going to take about 4 to 5 days for my inventory to show up at Amazon, what I like to do is, I know this person's probably going to sell out. Okay, so I would go, and you can get these, you can get the Chrome extensions. Some are called like Stock Scout, Stock Scouter, Stock Charts. There's a bunch of different ones, but they tell you the Amazon FBA stock count. Okay, I don't think I have it on this computer. No, I don't have one on this computer. But so what it would do is it would show you the stock count. Because of that, what you would do is you'd see, okay, this person has 4 items in stock. So when would they sell out? Probably in, let's see. Okay, so we're here. Let's say Friday they had 1 sale, Thursday 1, Wednesday. They probably sell out in 4 to 5 days. They would sell out of 4 to 5 items, probably about 1 a day. So because of that, I would go find this guy, and I'd go a little bit lower than him. Okay, the reason why I'd go up about $2 is because this person probably won't be there in 5 days when my inventory shows up. So why not price it a little bit higher, $2 higher? Let's say I have 15 items coming in. Why not make an extra $30 profit? Because I'm thinking ahead. I know this person's probably going to sell out. So when they do, I'll just be a little bit lower than this guy, and I'll sell my products. It's that simple, okay? So that is my Amazon FBA pricing strategies. Hopefully that helps you out. If it does, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want more videos on Amazon and just making more money online. And I'll see you guys on the next one.